Guys, I showed you this watermelon when it was a baby.
A week later, when it was an adolescent, now it is an adult.
So now we pulled it in the house and we left it in the refrigerator forever. So we'll see if it's rotten or it's ripe. Ready?
Yep.
On 3. Ready? 1,
2. Yo, what is
It
this?
looks juicy.
G-U-I.
Let's not do that again. Let's not be juicy again.
Just leaving all of you juicies.
Yeah, that would be so weird if leaving it all the juices.
What do you think? It looks a little
Hold on, let me see this.
overripe.
It looks a little orangish.
Let Gabe take a bite.
Oh, yummy!
Yo,
Birthday boy.
see this?
I would not recommend it.
I'm afraid we left it in the fridge too long.
Stay tuned. Keep watching. Also, subscribe.